friends, this is cycle 1, week 5, Bible, what was God's covenant with Noah? This is to the tune, rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. I hope this helps. Rain, rain, what was God's covenant with Noah? A promise to save Noah's family, a command to be fruitful and multiply, a promise to never destroy the human race by worldwide flood again. I really hope this helps you guys. I went through like 5 songs trying to come up with something for this one. It was very difficult. If you need any other options, I have like 4 more, so let me know. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. It does really help me when you do that. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Bye.